Welcome back to another video of Baking with Chef Santi. Today we'll be making blueberry muffins. So let's get baking. Now we're gonna put this flour into this ginormous bowl. And then we're gonna get all of this, put my finger through it. All of the sugar, half a cup, and a quarter of a cup of sugar. And it all looks like snow. And now we're gonna put the blueberries flavor. But now we're gonna make the baking powder.
How much baking powder?
Half?
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
I only got half.
Well, readjust.
I
Santi.
got a half.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna have to make 3 more halves.
That's good math skills. Hey Santi, while you're doing that, what's up with your new apron?
Oh, this new apron, I got it from my neighbors.
That was so nice of them, huh?
Now we're gonna be stirring this all mix them together.
So this is just our dry ingredients, right?
Yep. Right now we'll put the egg, the vegetable oil, and some milk.
Mm-hmm.
I got confused with the blueberries. I thought it was blueberries. We put the vegetable oil. Now we're gonna put the egg. Now we're gonna put all the milk.
Until it's full, right? It's 1/3 of a cup of oil, an egg, and then they said milk until it fills up, right?
But mommy,
Did it overflow a little? That's okay. What does it look like, Santi?
no, because I spilled it.
It's okay. So, don't cry over spilt milk, right?
I still see the yolk at the very top.
Yeah.
If you could see that, smash the subscribe button. I'm putting this in.
So it's all our liquid ingredients, right? Make sure it all comes out. And we're gonna mix that for a while, right?
Now we put some more milk because it said so to make the right batter. Now we're gonna put some. Because we put some more milk in there, and it made me take some milk here.
You got thirsty?
Yep. Now we're gonna put a cup
Of what?
of blueberries.
And then,
It's blueberry muffins.
of course.
Why can it not have blueberries?
Of course it has to have blueberries. You can stir it with the spoon.
Let's just.
And then, what happens next?
Then we're gonna put the batter. We made this crumble with this cinnamon, some butter, some flour, and some sugar.
And what does it look like now?
Right here. Right here.
Looks nice and crumbly.
So now we're gonna pour this all in here.
This is what makes these muffins extra amazing, right?
Yep.
So we made this yesterday when we were practicing, and it made so much crumble that we didn't want to have to make it twice, right? So we were able to use it from yesterday too, right? Move your...
So much.
Mm-hmm.
If you heard that annoying noise, it's the dishwasher because it's on. Because we're washing dishes. Let's get the oven open. Toasty.
How hot's the oven today?
I forgot. Like 400?
Yes. Be careful.
And I got this. It's time for a funny joke. Why do you put 239 beans in bean soup?
I don't know. Why, Chef Santi?
Because one more will make it 240.
Oh.
Now, look how they come up. Pop.
That's because we sprayed them with plenty of vegetable oil, right?
And it's taste test time.
Okie dokie.
They're pretty hot. This is very good. Especially the strawberry.
Yum.